2 years ago, Deana and I visited family in New York and drove past a building we both grew up admiring. It was an 1800s garment factory that sat on the edge of town, beautifully clad in brick, stone, and glass. The Manhattan Shirt Factory was once a beacon for this small upstate community, employing 180 men and women to cut and sew dress shirts. The building changed hands many times over the 1900s, but for the past 30 years, it's mostly sat idle, a beautiful relic of what once was. With a bit of research, Deana and I found out who owned the building, and we contacted them. To our surprise, they were open to selling. We toured the building virtually, then physically, then made an offer with renovation in mind. We never thought we would leave Colorado, and we never thought we would take on a project of this size. But I really don't think we could have lived with the regret of not trying had we walked away from this building. Our eyes are likely larger than our stomachs, but we have some grand plans for this place. We're going to turn the first floor into our workshop, the second floor into a flex space for photography and potential showroom, and we're going to live in the third floor. This building has long been an active member of this town, and we intend on growing this relationship. We want our building to be a space that people will travel to, a space where people can teach and people can learn, a space that will show how truly beautiful this corner of the country is. We'll be documenting our renovations along the way. Follow along if you can. We'll do our best to keep you updated.